Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video and tuning in. I'm planting a lemon tree and don't know what the variety is. I planted this from seed about 2 or 3 years ago. 2 years ago, more. What I'm going to do here is I dug out a hole, and I have a lot of hard clay, so I got the hole about 1 foot or 1.5 foot, and then I had some grass and around the yard and stuff like that, so I'm going to talk about that in just a second here. But we're going to go through a few stages here, and I'll show you what I did. I started filling this hole with water so that the hole, whenever it's dried out, when you first dig the hole, it's very dry, so I want to get the hole really soaked and wet and get the hole ready for the plant to put in there. So certain method you may want to try, and it would help your tree. If you have a really dry hole, you want to keep making sure that the hole is wet for the first planting. I'm going to go over a little bit of pruning on that tree just at the bottom. I'll let that go until it fills up the hole with water all the way. So here's what I trimmed up on the bottom, just about a foot from the base. Just pruned off any leaves or branches and stuff like that. And what I can do is I'll use a couple of those cuttings, and I'll start a couple of new lemon trees. And well, you start a few, and then you see if any of them take, and I'll show you a few of those in just a bit. And what I did is I just threw any of the old or the cut leaves off of the lemon branch cuttings and threw them in the hole. And go into the next stage here. So we have the tree out of the pot now, and you just want to put it in there, try to stabilize it, try to keep its balance straight on forward, or standing straight. And I just, so that's what I did, and I put these grass clippings all around, right over the planted tree, to use as compost and mulch once it breaks down and give it some nutrients. So I'm not using any fertilizer here, it's just the grass around the yard and the resources that I have. Once I did that, I put the leftover stuff that was in the pot and the clay that was around the top, and just try not to bury the base at all, and just kind of make a little indentation down towards the base. And then I just left the water hose running on it for about 20 or 30 minutes and let that hole fill up. And that's close to the operation that I did, and here's some pictures of the operation. And I thank you for watching. Please leave your comments about your experience with planting trees and with lemon trees in general. I'd like to hear your information on lemon trees. Take care, everyone.